welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while since my last vlog, but today's video is going to be different since I will be making a makeup tutorial. So first, I'm going to use this moisturizer that I've had for months now. I don't know, it's 100 ml, but it feels like forever since it's going to run out. Rub it between my hands and then on the face. I've done nothing but swim and swim and swim. That's why I look tan on the face and the neck part. But when you see my arms, it's a bit lighter compared to my face. Bruh, I don't know what I'm saying. It's been a while.
Hello!
This is my nephew, Alex.
He's my girl garden playmate. The only plant that I have that he doesn't is the yellow figures. But other than that, he has all the plants you could ever get in that game except for Candy Floss and elephant ears. Also, he got scammed this morning because... It was yesterday. Oh, it was yesterday? He got scammed yesterday because... No! My younger sister gave him a red fox. And then somebody in the game went to him and said, "Hey, you trade me the red fox for a dragonfly." And then he said, "Okay, here's my red fox. So where's my dragonfly?" And then the guy took the red fox as a gift and then he left the game.
Okay, so now she's going to look for the makeup to use first.
From Sunny's Face, this is their eyebrow gel in the shade Nothing because it's clear.
Right now she's gluing her eyebrows together. I don't know why.
I don't know why either, just like putting stuff on my face. So what I like to do is I like to put the glue under the hairs. That's why I'm pushing all my hairs inward instead of outwards like this to coat every single hair, and then I'm going to push all my hair back to its original place. You know what I'm saying? You know? Like butter, gnarly, Tesla, gnarly, fried chicken, gnarly, like up and then sideways like this. I'm going to use this tinted serum from L'Oreal Paris with 1% hyaluronic acid in the shade 2 to 3 light. So by the way, I'm light to medium skin tone. So if you have a cool neutral undertone, I think you should get the light medium version because this one is for warm people like me.
Okay, now I'm going to cover
No!
the screen.
Don't cover the screen. So I just drop it here like this, like that, and then the rest I just rub on my face. Oh, I forgot to put primer. And then these are all my makeup brushes that I haven't washed in like 5 months or something. I'm just gonna take this brush from BW. I'll just swipe all of this around the face. And don't worry about the brush streaks because I'm gonna use like a sponge later to pat it on. As you can see, it looks a bit light on me because I got tanned. Currently, we're doing nothing because we just put like a sprinkler glitch on our Grow Gardens. We're trying to wait for an hour and a half before we come back so that the glitch works properly. Then I'm gonna use this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser in the shade 144 Caramel just to color correct my under eyes because they are darker than Eric Coon's eye bags. See, and I'm just gonna let it sit for a little bit. I'm gonna use this eyeliner from Pink Flash. I'm gonna use it for my eyebrows because my eyebrows are dark, so I don't want to use like a brown eyebrow pencil or a gray eyebrow pencil or a dark brown eyebrow pencil because it doesn't look natural. So I'm just gonna use like a black eyeliner and lightly fill in the ends of my eyebrows. Yeah. This is the Pretty Secret Creamy Liquid Concealer in the shade Natural Beige, and they only have it in 2
charge your
shades.
cell phone,
Charge
and
it.
then when you go back, it's not charged because you didn't charge it properly.
That would be frustrating. That happened to me multiple times already.
That never happened to me.
Excuse-moi, sir. Excuse-moi. Yes, you have eyelashes and I don't. You don't have to prove it in front of everyone.
This is all natural. Can you edit that out?
No. You're gonna waste all your sprinklers. Okay, and I'm gonna use a fluffier brush and blend this thing out. Mr. Plants a lot.
What?
Mr. Plants a lot. You.
Why?
Because you plant too many plants in Grow Garden.
Well, Mr. Cosmetic a lot.
Yeah, because I put a lot of cosmetics in my farm. That's all I do.
And then most of them is consumed.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna blend the color. Excuse me, sir. I'm gonna
Yeah.
blend out the color corrector. Still full, Alec. Next, I'm gonna put concealer again on top of the color corrector, which is not the right way. You're supposed to put powder. So you set the color corrector first before you cover it up with concealer. I'm not gonna do that. Let it sit for a bit. I'm gonna use this eye crayon in the shade Bambi. I'm gonna put it all over the lids like this. Then we're going to blend this out with a pink flash eyeshadow brush. 25,000 light years later, it's time to blend the magical, mythical, legendary, godly master concealer. I'll use the same fluffy brush as I used with the color corrector and blend this out. On the sides of the nose, the chin, and the excess on the forehead. Next I'm gonna use this tissue puff. Tap my face just to remove the brush streaks. For contour, I'm gonna use this one from Focalier in the shade 10 Mocha. I'm gonna use this brush from Real Techniques 200 Expert Face Brush. Flip it on, and I get the perfect contour shade. Other side as well. Place it above the forehead, the jawline. I'm gonna use this angled brush for the nose. This is from OVW as well, but I don't like this brush because the bristles keep on falling. But I'm gonna line the sides of my nose like this. On the other side as well. Make it as close as possible to each other. For that, what's the nose but have reach? Curler again. Curler for the
What
second
will you
time.
do if I touch the lens?
If you do, I won't give you the elephant ears.
No, but then you also want to
Eyeliner
tell
from
me
Ink
if you-
Flash. Just line something like this, and I'll copy it on the other side.
The mirror was too big.
It's a zero color.
It's not that. It's 7:30.
Mascara. This is the Maybelline Hypercure Waterproof Mascara. Be careful, sir. And finish your food, sir. No! No! I think I used this liquid blush, Oh My Blush, in the shade Red Ahoy. This is from Caroline, their SpongeBob collection. Just put it right here, here, and a dot here on the nose. Then I'm gonna use this brush, blush brush, inward, outward. That's like this. And on top here and right here. The chin as well. We are going to set our face with some loose powder.
Yeah.
Yeah, Focalier Baking and Setting Loose Powder in the shade 03. Then I'm gonna use this powder puff. Take some powder here, rub it on the back of my hand for an even surface, smooth surface. Tap the powder under the eye. Scope the sides of the nose. Boys at the back! You don't know that meme? Boys at the back! Why are you so noisy at the back? Are you done eating, Alec?
No.
Please chew your food. A secret lip liner in the shade Pink Brown. Overline the top lip. Follow the natural lip line on the side. And the lower lip line.
06123.
Now I'm gonna use this from She Glam. It's their strawberry lip and cheek tint. And then I'm gonna use this Maybelline Vinyl Ink in the shade Extra, but this lippy doesn't have any pigment left, only the gloss. So if you want to try this out, this makeup look out, then just use a normal lip gloss. I'm almost done. Just using this one from Caroline. It's their 3-in-1 blush contour highlight trio. Inner corner of the eye. And that's it. Let's go! My name is Pink and I'm really glad to meet you. Hey! Ooh. Just a few seconds, please wait. That is all. Thank you for watching. Bye guys, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.